How to create a short fast from an existing video in Adobe Express. You can edit it inside the editor, but they also have a very fast tool to trim part of the video and make it horizontal instead of vertical. The tool is free to use for anyone. You just need to sign in to Adobe Express with a free account. Let's focus on this tool. On the home page, click View All on the first row of tools, then click Video. Now find Trim Video. You need to upload a video up to 1 GB. After you upload the video, you will see it on the left side of the screen. You can play it. At the bottom, you have the timeline of the video. You can shorten it there. Or, if you want to be precise, you can edit the timing on the right side. Add the start time and end time for the video. You can also add just one of them. Then it will shorten the video, and you can see where it starts and where it ends. Under the timing on the right side, you have a few more options. You can change the layout of the video to make it vertical, horizontal, or square. If you do that, the image might not fill the screen, but you can click Fill Screen, and it will fill it. On the left side, you can move the video around the screen to get the best position. Just know that you can only change the position for the whole video. You can't focus on different parts. This is good if you have a video that you want to make horizontal, and the focus stays in the same place the entire time. Under the layout, there's a button to mute the video. If you want to create a short video without sound, this is a very fast and free tool to do that. Now that you have the video ready, you can download it and then upload it wherever you like. Or you can continue editing in Adobe Express. For example, if you want to add a few videos together, you can trim them and then copy from one project to another. To copy from one project, just open it, find the part of the video you want to copy, then press Ctrl+C, or click the 3 dots to open the menu where you have the Cut tool. Now go to the other project, create a new scene by clicking the plus button, and paste the video there by pressing Ctrl+V, and add a transition effect between the two video clips. To add a transition, click the plus button between two scenes, and then click on Transition. On the left side, you have some options for transitioning between parts. You can also cut part of the video and then change the position of the video view to focus on the parts you couldn't in the Fast Forward tool, because it remembers the full video. You can also change the trimming you did before and make it a full video again. To split the video, put the cursor on the right spot in the timeline under the video, then right-click and in the menu find the split option, or you can use the shortcut and press the S key on your keyboard. If you muted the video, you can add sound. There is music you can use, but you need to know what you're allowed to use. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.